Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Natasha. Go ahead and subscribe and let's get straight into this wig install, honey. So I have this wig today from Alipearl. I will leave all the information down below for you. Make sure you guys are clicking them links, all that good stuff. But they sent over this like Jerry curl bob. I will say lob. It's a longer length. It's 18 inches. It's to my shoulder and is a 13x4 frontal. I'm very pleased with this. You guys know I'm in my curly era. It's been curls after curls after curls after curls. Ironically, I feel like curls work better for me in, that fall to winter month because curly hair is hot. I get it. It seems tropical and like summery, but it's too hot to wear curly hair in the summer, in my opinion. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of curly hair. So I'm just doing an install. I've been trying to get back into my frontal bag because I've had so many glueless wigs and so many like closures that it's like I kind of lost the sauce, you know what I'm saying? But this one was so easy to install. For one, I did not have to pluck this wig. I did not have to bleach the knots. I did not have to do any of that, which has been a very, it's been a pattern lately with these companies, and I'm loving it that they're stepping it up because they're realizing, everybody just doesn't know how to do those things, and you would like to be able to order your wig and take it out the package and wear it, which is what I did. So I did not do any washing, co-washing, anything. I literally put it on before work. I talked about this in my last video. I've just been liking to like kind of get myself together a little bit more when I leave the house. So I was like, okay, girl, you're about to leave, you're about to be at work, get a little cute, and it doesn't even take that long. I lay in the bed longer doing nothing than just getting myself together. But anyways, we're gonna move along. So I'm just doing my regular frontal install. I'm using my Erica J like glueless gel, and I'm also using some of the Even spray, which I will be showing momentarily, but I love to use those in combination. I actually was able to wear my wig for 3 days. I just took it off and my wig was not lifting or anything. When the lace is nice and thin, you won't have any problems. You won't have to constantly touch up or do anything like that. If you have good lace and like a good hairline, you're good to go. So these are the two sprays that I was talking about earlier. These are by Even. This is the sensitive one. It still has a very, extreme hold. And this one is like the super supreme. This is going to have your wig on for a week straight. But I like to use the sensitive one just to avoid any breakouts if I am wearing wigs from a day-to-day basis. But what this does is help secure my wig, because this is actually a wig spray to keep your wig down and secure, and it's gonna melt my lace too. So I like to spray that and then put the elastic band on, and if I have baby hairs, I'll pull the baby hairs down to avoid any ripples in the lace. So because I don't have to style this hair per se, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some powder in the part, do some baby hairs, and do a little lace check, and then I will get to wetting the hair and defining the curls. Although this curl, how this looked, this Jerry curl pattern, it looks so good, especially like bushy. Like, you guys know I live for a bushy moment. I've been getting into like the wet hair because whatever, but I love a bushy hair moment. When I tell you this hair length is perfect, the curl pattern is perfect, I actually ended up wearing this on my birthday, not by choice. I will get into that another day, but it worked out perfectly and I absolutely loved it. So I was just playing with it and I was like, I don't want to wet it, but like I want to see what it gives. So I went ahead and did my makeup. I got dressed for work because it was time to go and I sprayed it. Lately, I've been using the same products. I will use some water. Again, I don't count that as a product, but I use water, the Miss Jessie's Pillow Curls Cream, and any kind of serum just to kind of lock that in. So I'll wet the hair about 80% and just define it with the brush. Y'all, this Denman brush is going to be your best friend. If you've been having a hard time with curly hair or trying to figure out how to define your curls or why your curls are getting frizzy, the Denman brush is going to be your favorite. I don't think this is an actual Denman brush, but it's a Denman-like brush, same concept. I call it like a rake brush. I don't know why they missed the opportunity to call it like a rake. It literally looks like a rake, but it just does something to the curls. And I used to purposely not wet my hair before going out because I wasn't sure how it was going to dry, but now I feel confident wetting my hair before I go out and knowing that my hair is going to dry super duper cute. So you guys, this is pretty much it. You guys are going to see how the hair looks. It looks so good and juicy. This is it wet. This is it in its original 100% dry state, but it looks fabulous. So make sure you guys check out Alipearl hair. I will leave all the information in the description box down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what kind of looks you guys want to see. I know I've been doing a lot of curly hair lately, but if you guys want to see anything specific, any fun looks, comment down below. Any recreations, colors, you know, fall's coming. Well, fall's here. Please let me know. And thanks so much for watching and tuning in. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.